When writing Java programs along with if statement, another common conditional flow controller is your switch statements. But often young developers fall into trouble when they don't know how to use the switch statements properly. Let me show you an example. So here we have a barebone class with our main method. Let's suppose you declare an integer, say test, and give it a value of 2. Now let's suppose you are trying to write a switch statement. So you write switch and then you give your case 1 and you print out first case. Similarly, let's say you are giving case 2 and you are printing out second case. We'll do another one, say case 3, and you are building a third case. And finally, we'll give a default and we will print out default case. Now, when you run this, what do you think would be the output? Let's see. So as you can see, because your test had a value of 2, it did not go into case 1, so first case did not get printed out. It went to case 2, so second case got printed out. But then it did not stop there. Even though case has the value of 2, it also went to case 3 and it also went to default. So that is why it printed third case and default case. Now, why is that? Well, this phenomenon is called switch fall through. And in switch fall through, what happens is after a case is satisfied, every other case mentioned after that are also automatically satisfied unless you break out of that switch statement. And that is why it is very important when you declare your switch statement, you put a break keyword after each case. So if we modify this with a break keyword, say here and here and here, and then if we run this, you would see only second case is printed out. So when you are writing switch statements, do not forget your break keywords. Hope that helps.